How to view 3D objects in the DAT PAT Keyhole section. The first subsection of the perceptual ability test is called Apertures, or aperture passing. Its more popular name among DAT candidates is Keyhole. A keyhole is an opening or aperture through which a key may be passed. The keyhole or aperture section of the DAT PAT tests the skill of visualizing irregular three-dimensional objects by their two-dimensional outlines. In this video, we're going to show you the essential parts to consider in a 3D object when answering keyhole questions in the DAT. The 6 sides, also known as the standard views of a three-dimensional object, are the top view, outlined here in black, its opposite side, the bottom view, with the identical outline as the top view, the front view. The front view is usually the side of the object where all essential parts are most visible. Its opposite side is the rear or back view, with the identical outline as the front view. The right side view, again outlined here in black, and its opposite, the left side view, with the identical outline as the right side view. Notice how each of the opposite views are of the same scale and outline. When evaluating a 3D object in a DAT PAT keyhole question, one of your most important strategies should be narrowing down your visualization of the object to just 3 basic views: the top, the front, and the right. Then you can try and determine the correct keyhole for that 3D object by focusing mainly on the outlines of these 3 views. This is how aperture rule number 4 applies, where it says there are no irregularities in any hidden portion of the object. However, if the figure has symmetric indentations, the hidden portion is symmetric with the part shown. Unless there are any holes passing through the object's body, disregard any shapes, indentations, or depressions. Here are 2 easy questions to get you started. Which answer choices would represent an aperture or keyhole for the object shown on the left? On the real exam, you would have about 40 seconds per question. Pause if you need more time.